In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a navigation menu in Lovable AI. To do that, we just need to chat with the Lovable chat right here. So for this case, you can describe your menu. You can use prompts to define what you want. So on my case, I'll give you right here a sample of a prompt. So create a responsive navigation bar with a logo on the left, links for home, about, services, and contact, and a sign up button on the right. So this is just a sample of the prompt. So for one-page site, ask for anchor links, like adding anchor links to the nav bar to jump to sections like services, results, and contact. You can also refine and customize changes, like changing the fonts and colors. You can do so by clicking onto the visual edits right there. And once it opens it, you can choose right here the actual details. And then once you have selected that, you can change the text colors, background colors, and the likes. Implement it by publishing your actual site right there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.